No, no, yeah, no, 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 yeah, no, 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 yeah,
Hi everyone, it's Ashley, and today I'll be doing a Craft City kit by Karina Garcia, and it's edible slime, and it's Kool-Aid. So let's get started. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it up. Okay, so this is a little packaging. Okay, so let's open it. What it comes with is 2 secret slime mix. A little container, like the bowl, basically. 2 containers, a blue raspberry flavored mix, and a cherry flavored mix. And then it comes with some confetti, some gloves, which I don't think I'll be using, but still, and then a spoon. First, what I'm gonna do is get the secret scent. Let's see. Basically, I'm just gonna pour it all into the bowl. Okay, so we finished with that. So now I'm gonna add the cherry flavored mix. I'm just gonna add this in. Now, I'm just gonna mix these 2 for a second. Okay, now I'm gonna get some water. Okay, so I have my water, and I'm just gonna put 2 teaspoons. Okay, so there's 1, and here's 2. And then I'm gonna mix it. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix until it makes like a slime. Wait, now it smells super good. Now I decided that I'm just gonna knead it because I think it's almost ready. It looks good. I'm just gonna knead it more and more until it gets like a little more non-sticky. It has like such a good scent. And I'm gonna knead it more. Okay, so now, I have the confetti right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some in here. I think that's enough. And then I'm gonna mix it. This is kind of like a little birthday cake. And I think it's time for me to eat some. So I'm really scared to eat this, but I'm just gonna get this part right here and eat it. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna go spit it out. I felt like I had I don't even know. It didn't taste like Kool-Aid. It tasted weird. So I think I'm just gonna try to keep this as a slime. And yeah, so I'm gonna put this in its little container right here. If I could even open this. And then this is gonna be difficult. Huh? This is so sticky. So now we're gonna get on to the next one. Let's go. Okay, so now it's time for the blue raspberry. So first, I'm going to get the secret slime mix. Just gonna dump all of it in. Then I'm going to get the blue raspberry flavored mix. Hopefully this one smells good. That does smell good. Well, that has a really strong smell. Like, it's burning my nose. So now I'm gonna mix it. So now I'm gonna get some water. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the water. I'm gonna take up the spoon first. Oh yeah, I forgot. So now I need to add 2 teaspoons, which I totally forgot. Okay. And then another teaspoon. Wow. Okay, water makes a big mess. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it. This time I'm gonna mix it a lot because when I did it last time, it was so sticky. It sticked everywhere, like seriously everywhere. I don't know this. I don't know, it smells weird, but I'm really afraid to eat it. Like super afraid to eat it. So as you've seen in my last one, it did not taste good. It tasted really bad, like really bad. I'm hoping that this one tastes good because according to Karina Garcia, she looks happy that she's eating it. So I'm gonna try to make myself look happy when I eat this. Okay, this one didn't make as big of a mess as it did as the other one did. Oh! That smells weird. That tastes different than the other one. So I think I'm gonna need for a couple minutes because I don't know what this is turning out to. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just get like a tiny piece, like super tiny because like this small, okay? I'm scared to eat this, okay? Okay, let me get more because it's barely any. So like if you had this slime kit, tell me what you would do. Would you be happy to eat it? Because this looks like a little sardine. Okay, so, oh my God. Okay, I could do this. I did it with the red one and I wasn't afraid at all. Oh my God, okay. Oh my God, no. Eating it's not the best choice. Now I'm gonna add these little thingies that splattered everywhere. Okay. Woo! Okay, so it just doesn't want to get off my hand. You're not flying away. Like, get this thing off my hand. Okay, this is how it looks like spread it on my hand. Kind of looks like a frog. Like, seriously, like a frog. So now I think it's time to put this in its container because I'm done playing with this one. This one's sticky. Go in. And I'm gonna cap on. And that's all for the video for my cherry Kool-Aid slime for my blue raspberry slime. Bye!